Guys, most welcome to the new video. In today's video I want to show you how to save or secure your Facebook account from hackers. Do you know hackers are trying to catch or find access to your Facebook account? So today I want to show you how can you save yourself from them. So for this you should open your Facebook account, then you have to click on these three dots, it means the setting, and after this you should go down there. So you should click on a setting and privacy, and after this you should go down there again, you should click on the setting and privacy, and so after that you should find a setting. So this is the settings, you should click on it. And here this is meta in account center. You should go down and see more in account center. You should click on this, and also this is your specific information. You can find everything here. So you should go down, and here is password and security. You should select that one. And after this, password and security, this is the most important part for you regarding the Facebook. So for this, the first thing that you should pay attention, it is to change password. It is better that you have to change the password. You should click on that. If you want to change a password, you should get lots of symbols, which is very hard. It's not, don't write like 123 or maybe Afghan or maybe any simple name, because hackers are trying to hack your account easily. So if you want to change the password of your PC, of your WhatsApp or Facebook account, you should write here your current password. But when you enter the current password, and also you should write here the new password, then you have to write, it means confirm it. So what did you write here? You should write it here. So then you can click on the continue. We can change by this method. After that, this is the most important, two factors authentication. This is the most important because every Facebook account has a password, but some Facebook accounts, they don't have any second authentication or two-factor authentication, which is very important. This is a problem for hackers. If you want to save your account, first you should click there, and also you should give a password here. It means for your security, please re-enter your password to continue. Here you should write your password. I want to write here my password. Then I will click on a continue. So when it was right, it means it was my password. It was right password, but my password, it is connected with like this is, there is OTP code, but I want to, it means right there to confirm my code. So my code is 9819 65 97. This is my code. Okay, I should write here, it means I will write here my code. The last one is 97. Then you should click on the continue to verify it. Okay, it is verified. So after that, do you know here it is like this is login. So second authentication, it is like your code. Already I have a code, it means second authentication code, but it's recommended, it is better that you have this code. Okay, so okay, I have done it. So I have the code, and also these all, it means my WhatsApp, it is connected, it means my Facebook connected with WhatsApp. And also if you want another method, you have to click there. And also I have second authentication code, therefore I don't want to go ahead. So this is the second authentication code, then you should select it, and after this save login. For example, your password is saved, where it is saved, and also like these are there are lots of information about your Facebook account, like remove, save, in login information that you leave in the unknown maybe devices, or more other things. Like, you know, there is also other information that my Facebook account login, so I know about it, but I don't want to get out from that. But the most important thing is here, if you are thinking my Facebook account is hacked, so you should, it means if you are scaring, you should click on where you are logged in, and so you should click on this. It means you will find where, in which device is my Facebook account logged in, and so look at that, my Facebook account is logged in these all devices. I'm using in a Windows, and also in a phones, and so, and also Chrome I have, it means my Facebook account login in there. If you want out, so you should select, and then there is select devices to log out, and then you have to click on this. When you click on this, you should select, for example, you want to log out, so you should select, then you have to log out. So you can, it means only you should find the trusted device that you are using, or it is under your control, you should select it. It means you should not log out from that. But other, like for example, I don't know about this one, Chrome OS, so it means like this is not a, it means not trusted any device, but I want to log it out, log in it from it. So then I have to click log out here. So I will going to log out from that one. So if you don't want, go back. Okay, this is one. After this, if you wanna, it means someone try to log in your Facebook, you should click login alter, and also click there, and you should tick this one. If it was like this, you should, it means it was off, then you have to click on it. It means for the notification, you should understand about it. So like someone try to log in your maybe Facebook account. And also if you wanna, it means like the email that Facebook has sent you, so you can see there. For example, I will click there, so maybe Facebook sent me any message or no. Look at that here, it means Facebook didn't send any message or email for security. So you can watch there. And also the last thing here is security checkup. If you want to check your security, again there, like you wanna, it means full understand about your own, so then you can click there, so you can find more other security information that you can check there. But and also end-to-end encryption, so it's also better that you have to select it, but it's not important. The most important thing that you have to be careful, it is the two-factor authentication. It's most important, because if someone or maybe a hacker is trying to hack your WhatsApp account, or maybe Facebook account, you should be carefully, guys. This is the challenge for that person. So you can, it means this is something sacred. Okay, don't forget the subscription of my channel, please. So thank you from your watching.